Today, let's dive into effective communication at work. Why do you think it's so tricky for many people?
I think a lot of it comes down to fear of being misunderstood or offending someone. What about you?
Absolutely. And sometimes, people worry about over-communicating and seeming annoying. But silence can cause more confusion.
Right, like when you send a vague email and everyone interprets it differently. It's like a game of telephone gone wrong.
Exactly. Have you ever had a message misinterpreted at work?
Oh, plenty of times. Once I wrote "let's discuss later," and my teammate thought I was upset. I just meant I was busy.
That's a classic example. Tone is so hard to convey in text. Do you think face-to-face is always better?
Not always, but it helps. Body language and facial expressions add context, but video calls can bridge the gap too.
True, but even on video, people sometimes multitask and miss cues. How do you keep people engaged?
I try asking open-ended questions. It makes everyone participate more. What's your strategy?
I like summarizing what's been said to check understanding. It avoids messy misunderstandings later.
Good point. Summarizing also shows you're actively listening. Ever had to mediate a miscommunication?
Once, two colleagues argued over an email that was just poorly worded. I had to clarify and calm things down.
That sounds stressful. Humor can help too. Sometimes a light joke eases tension.
Definitely. But humor can backfire if not used carefully. It's tricky to judge the mood, especially in diverse teams.
Yeah, cultural differences matter a lot. What works in one country might seem odd in another.
So true. Tailoring communication styles is key. Have you noticed generational differences too?
For sure. Younger folks prefer quick messages, while others like thorough emails. Balance is important.
Do you think technology makes communication easier or harder overall?
Both. It's faster, but also easier to misunderstand. Emojis help a bit, but they can be misread too.
Emojis are a double-edged sword. Sometimes they clarify, sometimes they confuse.
Exactly. Maybe the real solution is just being mindful and double-checking before hitting send.
Agreed. And being open to feedback if something doesn't land as intended.
That's the spirit. At the end of the day, everyone wants to be understood and respected.
Couldn't have said it better. So, to our listeners, what's your biggest workplace communication challenge?